everyone, we have Anant Kumar here, and it is a pride for me to introduce you all to Anant Kumar here. He has scored 120 in the MHCET 5-year entrance exam, and we are so proud of him. So here we are going to have a look on what the strategies the Anant Kumar had followed, क्या sources को उन्होंने refer करा था, and उनका dream college क्या है, and वो next aim क्या करना चाहते हैं. So Anant, first of all, how are you feeling after getting such a good score?
To be honest, ma'am, it's a pretty special feeling. The score, to be honest, is on the expected lines, but I didn't expect the rank that I'm gonna get a rank of 2 digit. So pretty special feeling, ma'am. Very much happy.
Anant, I want to know your rank. Let others also know the good rank which you have scored all over the Maharashtra.
Ma'am, I got the rank of 51.
Excellent, excellent Anant. So ये score आने के बाद आपकी family members ने कैसा feel किया?
Ma'am, they were also very happy for me because, ma'am, family, friends, these are the people, they were with me throughout my process when I was putting all those hard yards. So they were with me. So when you get the success of your efforts, so the atmosphere, my family was very much happy, and they were really satisfied with my result also because they had seen me putting those all hard yards.
Correct. So Anant, which college you are aiming for now with such a pretty score? So you have to choose the college. The college is not going to choose you. You have to choose कि आपको GLC चाहिए, ILS चाहिए या कोई top law college चाहिए. तो आप कौन से college के लिए aim कर रहे हो?
Ma'am, it's a pretty straightforward question for all the MSCT aspirant. They all target GLC and ILS. So the first preference I talked to a few people. I talked to a few alumni of the GLC also. So I'm pretty much clear कि I want a GLC as my first preference.
Okay, excellent. So now what next? What have you thought about it? अब आपका aim क्या है? GLC में जाने के बाद what are you aiming for?
What I feel ki is at the I like to live in the moment. So for the foremost thing is ki I first of all I want to secure myself admission into GLC. Then I will start with the process like I've been hearing from a lot of people ki do a lot of internships, get establish good connections, and so that's what I'm looking forward to. I'm looking forward to a lot of new learnings, and I will later decide ki I want to go into corporate or criminal. As of now, I'm just open to learning everything.
Okay, fine. So Anant, I just want to know आपने कौन सी strategy follow करी ये score जो है आपने हासिल किया. Definitely ये एक दिन में या एक हफ्ते की पढ़ाई तो है नहीं. So आपने कोई strategy follow करी होगी जो एक months में run की होगी. So what was your strategy for this exam?
So, ma'am, to be honest, ma'am, rigorously I prepared last year. So last year I got 109. So all my fundamentals were, to be honest, were pretty much clear. So when I got that score, and then I decided to give that I will write it again. So there were very minute changes, very twists and tweaks that I had to make into my preparation process. Like last year I thought I wasn't as much prepared for logical reasoning and a bit vocab. So I thought ki I will give them a go fast. So first of all, I used to take the EduCARE, all the YouTube live sessions of vocab, and then I downloaded the app of EduCARE. So I used to solve all the vocab questions, logical reasoning questions, and for current affairs, one has to follow the newspapers daily.
Correct.
So
Yes.
that will be in your vocab also. That gonna strengthen your reading comprehension as well. So newspaper is must.
Okay. So what was your strategy for legal part? Legal aptitude and legal reasoning के लिए आपने क्या strategy follow करी थी?
For ma'am, legal reasoning, ma'am, just first of all the aspirants have to clear the basics. So basics of the criminal law, civil law, and all the basic of torts. Okay, so all the aspirants have to get through the basics of these laws. So the questions are not that much difficult because there are the question of principle and principle based questions are there. So if you have been through the concept, so you can easily solve all the questions. You just need to be a bit mindful of the principle, because in question paper they might change the principle, and then you need to be very mindful about those changes that they made.
Correct. Okay, fine. So Anant, I just want to know कि आपने ये जो practice जो period है अपना, how did you practice the questions and solutions to that? What was your exact strategy for that?
Actually, I'm enrolled. I'm doing my BA Political Science from Crodimal College, Delhi University. So that's a regular college. I had to attend all the classes. So to I think so I decided when I got into this college, I knew I had to balance things out. So my whole day was always I was always busy with the college things. Like I joined a bit of societies as well, like DEPSOC. I joined Priya Society, which is for disabled, or to call especially abled people. So I had 3 or 4 around hours around the evening time. So I used to solve like the basics. I got clear my basics. So I decided ki first of all I need to work on my gray areas. So my gray areas were the logical reasoning and vocab. So I used to give them an hour daily. Yeah, that was my process that I followed.
That was a great. So you knew your weaknesses and you made sure कि आप अपने weaknesses को जो है और ज़्यादा focus करके उसको strength में convert कर रहे हो. That is an excellent thing which each and every student should do ideally. कि जो weak होता है subject, काफी बच्चे उसको छोड़ देते हैं कि नहीं हो पाएगा हमसे. But rather than that, अगर उस पे और मेहनत करके focus करके करेंगे तो फिर definitely desired जो score है वो हम achieve कर सकते हैं. Excellent. So that is a very good thing, Anand, which you did. And I would like to tell you any future tips for the upcoming law aspirants which you would like to share with students.
I would call them learnings that I experienced through my journey. So first of all, I would tell that key, have faith in your process, have faith in yourself, because when you will start your preparation, it might happen that you won't get the instant results. Like it won't happen in a like you just like Rome wasn't built in a day. So the result might not be instant, but you must not be disappointed with the results. And so because once you start self doubting yourself, so then the problem starts. You start panicking, like कि मुझसे हो पाएगा कि नहीं हो पाएगा, and all those questions start to come in. But I would say कि have faith and enjoy the process, enjoy all the learning, and eventually scores gonna improve.
Correct. Okay, fine. So Anand has told very true, guys, कि अगर हम हार नहीं मानेंगे तो आगे हम डेफिनेटली बढ़ सकते हैं. हमें हमेशा जो है फोकस करना चाहिए इम्प्रूवमेंट के लिए, एंड दैट इज हाउ यू कैन अचीव योर ड्रीम, वॉट एवर इट माइट बी. जो भी है उसको अचीव करना है तो उसके पीछे डट के मेहनत करनी है, एंड दैट्स ऑल. करेक्ट आनंद?
Yes, for sure.
Yes. Okay. Fine. Thank you, dear. And EduCARE family wishes you all the very best for your future.
Thank you so much, ma'am. And I would like to thank the EduCARE teachers, counselors. They also helped me through my process. So you all deserved a big round of appreciation from me. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, dear. It is a great honor for all of us to help out the students, because EduCARE is always here to help each and every student out here in whatever possibility we can. So all the very best from the EduCARE family.
Sure. Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you.